So this is the Cebu Food and Beverage Expo. First day, experience the fusion. This is their logo here. And then you can see the penchant of Filipinos for selfie. You can see them all around here. And menu for memorable Cefbex experience, Cebu Cefbex Festival. And this is the exposition. So it's been going on until Sunday, October 13. So you can see I'm here right now in Cebu and Food and Beverage Exposition. You can see the Gasol mascot is making a pose for the camera. Wow. Yes, Gasol. Gasol is the liquid petroleum tank. So I'm here featuring you some of the available products and companies that you can be useful to you when you open your business. Hi Gasol. Gasol is the Fiesta gas for your cooking needs. So you can see here industrial equipments for your kitchen needs and business needs. If you're into the food business, you can see here the coconut grater. There, that's 28,000. They also have the calamansi extractor. You can see all parts in direct contact is made of heavy gauge stainless steel 304. Pila ni ma'am? 150,000, but you can see the quality. Best used for making meat marinades and sauces. And you got the manual juicer, industrial grade stainless steel. Said ma'am, how much na kani? Only 7,500. And the industrial grade eye shaver. Ito ma'am, 28,000. The same with the meat grinder. Meat grinder as well, industrial grade, full stainless steel 304. 28,000. Now you got the industrial grade waffle maker. Magkano to ma'am? 79,500. 29,500. Wow. You can see it's made of good quality stainless steel. Actually, it's very heavy as well. So you see the quality in this one. You got the hamburger grill. Ito po. $28,800. Ito. So the hamburger grill 2 burner, 22,800. What is this? Para sa ano? Juice?
For oil.
Oo. The oil that drips from the grill. So this is for your business needs. Or you can even use it at home for your barbecue needs. Vegetable cutter, industrial grade. Arahi. Sorry. Vegetable cutter, slicer, shredder. Ito ma'am. 45,000, but the quality is there. Very thick stainless steel. And the rice grinder if you're making rice flours. Kani? 45,000, and this one is also 45,000. So you can see the company that's making this, bought this. Arby's Bake Shop, Putong Obe, Mommy's Bake Shop, Baya Marie. So this is the rice grinder. motor that does the job. It's all electrical, but it's all industrial grade. This one is coconut milk extractor. There's the operating. This one is the coconut milk extractor. It's got a motor. Ito ma'am. 180,000. That's for 180,000 for the convenience of extracting your coconut and emulsifier. Best in making banana and ubi purees. Premium milk machine. So this is the industrial grade emulsifier. And these are the companies that have used this product: Aristocrat, Gardenia, Bohol Bee Farm. Pila to sir? Magkano? 150? So that's 150,000. And then the universal cutter. Cutter ng vegetable? Vegetable meat, sad sir? Vegetables lang. Vegetables lang. Magkano to sir? Stainless steel. Magkano to sir? It's got a motor to cut your vegetables faster. Ma'am, pila ni ma'am? 57,000 pesos. So the industrial machines available for your needs. Electric fryer. Yan. We got the double slots and the single one. Ito sir, pila? Siyang ami alam. Bibingka oven. So bibingka oven. There's the control on the sides. And these are the company there. Oh, kanay pakita na sir. So that's where you put your bibingka instead of the traditional with uling on top and bottom, with charcoal on the top and the bottom. That's how the bibingka is made. This is made cleaner. This made by electric cooking. So yan, that's the oven of the little bibingka, which is what we call here. And then it's the English for that one is rice cakes. So the capacity is 12 pieces of bibingka. And this is the tanawa tabi. Sani? Puto bongbong. So the puto bongbong machine. This is the company that's Makati Shangri-La, Cafe Laguna have this one. Astoria Plaza, Mangan, Vikings in the Philippines got the puto bongbong machine. And they got the panini grill. And the siopaw steamer. Magkano yan? Oh, hindi ko rin alam. Gisi-gisi na lang. And siopaw steamer. And this is food warmer. Mura siya na siya steamer. Parang steamer din yan, no? Okay. Then you got the electric fryers. Yan pa sa go. Sa mag-asa ko niya, ma'am. Ma'am, magkano yung fryers mo, ma'am? Itong tatlo. Ito, ma'am. Itong dalawang ko ano? Di palingkura tadi abi. Bakit wala kang price, no? Panini grill. Steamer mo. For sure, siopaw food display steamer. And this is another food warmer. Magkano to, ma'am? 21,000. Same lang sila ng function?
No, ma'am. This one is steamer, this one is warmer.
Ah.
Warmer is dry heat, this one is high heat.
Ah, okay. So this one, how much?
15,000.
15,000 more cheaper than this DI. The Panini Grill,
Ito ma'am nasa
16, 17,000. So this is the 21,000. Yung prior mo, ma'am, yan. Two,
Ito ma'am nasa 17 din po.
17,000 for this 2 slot one.
Yes po.
Yung single lang, ma'am.
Ito 8 liters kasi ito ma'am eh. So mga nasa 9,500.
9.5. Oh, and this one, yan, bibingka na malinis. Magkano to?
39 yan.
39,000, but you can electric bibingka maker and the puto bong 30,000. So there you get the prices now. You have just to go back on the video for your industrial needs, so you can see the businesses that has bought the machine to cater for their needs of the restaurants, especially Makati Shangri-La and Cafe Laguna. And here is the bibingka oven.